Question. P.S. If a minus 1 is less than x, which is less than a plus 1, which of the following is the value of x? Option 1, a. Option 2, a squared. Option 3, a cubed. Solution. The fifth fundamental concept in inequality. We know that negative 1 is less than 0 and 0 is less than 1, so we can write negative 1 is less than 0, which is less than 1, by the first fundamental concept in inequality. Now, when we add a to all, the inequality becomes a minus 1 is less than a plus 0, which is less than a plus 1. That is, a minus 1 is less than a, which is less than a plus 1. We are required to select the options that could be the values of x if a minus 1 is less than x, which is less than a plus 1. Let us check each option. Option 1, a. Now, using the fifth fundamental concept to get a minus 1 is less than a, which is less than a plus 1, we can say that x can be a. Hence, this option is true. Option 2, a squared. Let us plug in the values for a to verify this option. When a equal to negative 1, the inequality a minus 1 is less than x, which is less than a plus 1, will become negative 1 minus 1 is less than x, which is less than negative 1 plus 1, or negative 2 is less than x, which is less than 0. But a squared equal to negative 1 whole squared equal to 1, that is greater than 0, and hence this option is not true, as x cannot be 1. Option 3, a cubed. Let us plug the values of a to get an answer. When a equal to 2, the inequality a minus 1 is less than x, which is less than a plus 1, will become 2 minus 1 is less than x, which is less than 2 plus 1, or 1 is less than x, which is less than 3. But a cubed equal to 2 cubed, that equals to 8, which is greater than 3, and hence this option is not true, as x cannot be 8. Thus only option 1 is true, and A is the correct answer. Answer A.